The core of SEO, link in description. Basically, when we do SEO, we optimize for keywords. When we optimize for a keyword, we mean one or multiple search terms that the customers would search for. This is where the battle happens, and it's a zero-sum game, meaning if you want to beat someone from the first place on Google search results, you would need to remove him from there, and if he wants to be the first one, he would need to remove someone else from there. So you want to capture the flag. This is the game. There are three types of keywords or search terms that customers search for, and the whole of SEO revolves around keywords. The three types of keywords are 1. Informational, 2. Commercial, basically customers looking for solutions, and 3. Branded, or customers looking for a specific company. When you want to optimize your website for SEO, the first thing you need to do is to identify the keywords that you want to optimize for. You don't want to optimize and waste months over keywords that are not worth it. So the step 1 is to identify the keywords that you want to optimize for. You want 3 conditions for such keywords that you would want to optimize for. First, you need to have enough people searching for them monthly. Second, you want the customers to have some commercial intent. And 3, rule out unwanted keywords where you don't have the budget to fight for. So you first want to get keywords right, and then you want to optimize. A great tool to understand whether you want this keyword or not is to estimate the revenue of the competitors who are there, and to estimate how many customers the competitors have who are already basically or simulating what would happen if I were to be number 1 on Google search. The tool is SEMrush, semrush.com. Basically what happens is that you estimate what would happen if you are number 1, whether it's worth it, because we said that first thing that we want to do is to target the keywords. In order to get actual keywords ideas, we first brainstorm on which keywords do we want. We can take keywords from Google, and we can take keywords from other tools. We put ourselves on the shoes of the customer and try to see which keywords would they look for, and we don't want to be too clever because we want to target actual customers. And the tool here that would assist us in finding good keywords where we would have a suggestion, the tool that would give us suggestions is called ubersuggest.io. From there we get suggestions for keywords, and we can also gather keywords from Google AdWords. So we have 2 tools here to gather keywords, the ubersuggest.io and also Google AdWords. And the whole process, to summarize, is this. We first look for keyword IDs. We then check if it's going to be valuable for us, profitable for us to optimize for these keywords. We estimate, therefore, the average monthly number of customers who would search for these keywords. We then want to check these IDs. So we use the tool semrush.com in order to estimate how many dollars, how much money would we make had we been in this first place on Google search results. And then we calculate the ratio. We calculate the traffic percentage that this first top website would is getting, and convert it to money, to dollars. In this way, we estimate how much money would we get out of this keyword. I have summarized this in a blog post with a nice pic of a summary of this process on our blog, programmerswikiblog.com. programmersquickie.com, where you would have a kind of a mini cheat sheet, small, with the whole process.